Welcome back to the Basics Hub. If you love IKEA but want to make your space feel unique, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 10 creative IKEA hacks that will elevate your home decor and customize basic furniture pieces. From stylish storage solutions to chic decor upgrades, these hacks will help you put your personal stamp on your space. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Customizing the Billy bookcase. First up is the iconic Billy bookcase. While it's functional, it can look a bit plain. Let's transform it. You can add crown molding to the top for an elevated look or paint the back panel a bold color for a pop of personality. This simple upgrade makes it look custom-made. Hack number 2. Upgrading KALLAX shelving. Next, we have the KALLAX shelving unit, which is super versatile but often seen everywhere. Turn it on its side and add cushions on top to create a cozy seating area. It's perfect for kids' rooms or as extra seating in your living room. Hack number 3. Making a stylish desk from Malm dressers. For our third hack, let's create a stylish desk using Malm dressers. Simply place a countertop on top of 2 Malm dressers for an instant desk with plenty of storage underneath. Paint the drawers or add new hardware for a custom touch. Hack number 4. Rattan inserts for Besta cabinets. The Besta cabinet is another great piece that can be easily customized. Remove the existing doors and replace them with rattan inserts for a trendy, airy look that adds texture to your space. Hack number 5. Upcycling Fornade curtains. Let's talk about curtains. The Fornade curtains can be easily upcycled. Cut them down to size and sew them into pillow covers for an instant refresh in your living room or bedroom. Hack number 6. DIY walk-in closet with PAX system. If you need more storage, consider creating a walk-in closet using the PAX system. Combine multiple PAX units and customize the interior with shelves, drawers, and hanging space to fit your needs perfectly. Hack number 7. Upgrading IKEA Ivar shelves. The Ivar shelves are another versatile piece that can be upgraded easily. Paint them in a bold color and add decorative trim for an elegant look that fits any room. Hack number 8. Stylish storage with Hemnes cabinets. For our 8th hack, let's upgrade Hemnes cabinets. Paint them in a color that matches your decor and swap out the hardware for something more stylish, instantly elevating their look. Hack number 9. Creating unique lighting with IKEA fixtures. Let's get creative with lighting. IKEA fixtures can be easily customized. Add fabric shades or paint the fixtures to match your decor style, creating unique lighting that stands out. Hack number 10. Customizing kitchen cabinets. Finally, let's upgrade those plain kitchen cabinets. Swap out cabinet doors for more stylish options or add overlays for texture. This simple change can completely transform your kitchen. Today we've explored 10 fantastic IKEA hacks that will transform your home from ordinary to extraordinary. With just a little creativity and effort, you can customize these affordable pieces into something uniquely yours. If you enjoyed these hacks, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more DIY inspiration. What are your favorite IKEA hacks? Share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Remember, with IKEA furniture, the possibilities are endless. Happy hacking!